Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that if you are non-native English speaker and you want to improve yourself in English language, then what a good if your partner is very good in English language and you both are speaking English language because you are doing your activities collectively, and when you speak with each other in English language, then you will improve your English language very soon, because all the time you remain with each other, and in all situation when you will speak English language, then I think that in very short time you will increase your English language. Otherwise I think that you will not find some friends those know the English language, because all the time you will not find them, and sometimes you will get the company of those friends, and in the period of 1 hour or 2 hours you will speak English language, but these are not enough. But if you have your partner who is good in English language, and you are speaking English with her, and you both are speaking with each others, all the everything's whatever you are doing at house or at home, then you will communicate with each others when for the whole day. Then I think lot of things would come in front of you, and you will increase your English speaking skills. When she was in kitchen, then you will talk about kitchen, what are the things they are laying, and in this way you will enhance your vocabulary about kitchen. When you will talk about some education, then you will improve your vocabulary about education. When you will talk about family matters, then you will increase your family matters, some difficult words and their English. In this way, on daily basis, I think that different kind of situation would come in front of you, and when you will talk on those situations, you will increase your English language. Wherever you find difficulty, your partner will correct you, and wherever she find any kind of difficulty, you will correct her. In this way, you both will increase your speaking skill very soon. But luckily, if you find your partner who is good in English language, and if your partner don't know the English language, she knows only the national language, then this will be a difficulty for you to communicate with her in English language. Then she will feel bored. When you will speak English language, she would not understand. Then she will feel some kind of exhausted, you can say that, boredness. In this way, I think that if luckily you find you both are good in English language, and some may be weak, one person might be weak in English language, but when you both will communicate with each other, your both English will be improved. In this way, you will improve and speak fluent English language in some months, very soon. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.